Welcome to our summer and autumn update. A lot has happened since the last update. We are still looking into the leaks. It was decided that we should stop laying the Bentamat until we establish that it's not the Bentamat that is leaking. This cement mix I refer to as Old Faithful, as it's been working on the site since it started. I have said when we finish it should go into a canal museum. This is the water recovery group who go to many canal restoration sites to help with some of the restoration, and they're here to build the walls for the Narrows. The Narrows are there to stop wide beam boats because they won't be able to pass each other due to the canal being narrow. You can see the concrete base that we laid with the reinforced rods sticking up to give extra support for the wall. A view from the winding hole of the Narrows. This is where the Narrows wall joins up with the existing wall from the winding hole. All volunteers need a tea or coffee break, and they deserve it. We were very impressed with the number of female volunteers, and they were good. The site after they had finished. The next job to fix in the coping bricks all along the top of the walls. Whilst that job is being done, we can see how the shaping of this bit of the canal is coming together. While the coping bricks and concreting the corners is being done, we have started building a concrete block retaining wall. Now large timbers called fenders are fitted to protect the wall and the narrow boats. We have another team called Tidy Friday, who have planted many trees and cutting back the grass and weeds where possible. At Bridge 4A, we have installed a concrete block sluice gate to control the level of water through into the next section of the canal. We are still checking for leaks. We have established there is a leak at Whitehouse's sluice gate. We were given permission by CRT to repair the said sluice gate. We have tested the Bentamat on a testing rig and shown it to be waterproof. This has enabled us to restart laying it.
Working.
So the bed mat can now be rolled out. This is a continuation of digging out the canal from the Narrows, which has recently been built. Digging out the rest of the ash in a week, a larger excavator was required, so we obtained a 20-ton excavator as it gives a greater flexibility with the swivel head and interchangeable buckets. As the lorries come in, they can be loaded much quicker with the larger excavator. Also, this has a much longer reach. Around 1910, this was mainly ash and some domestic waste, and Tring Council was allowed to use the canal as a tip. We wish to thank Decorum and Tring Council for a large grant to correct a previous council historic mistake to remove the ash. The other advantage with this digger, we can change the bucket for a larger one, and the bucket can swivel around, which makes it easier to gather the ash in a pile. The top layer of earth is extremely hard, and as you can see, it takes it in its stride. The lorries continuously kept coming to be filled. Finally, a week's good work is completed, and it took 70 lorry loads, a total of 1,400 tons. Finally, the bed mat was rolled out. The profiling can start again. The Bintomatic was put to work again to lay a further 18 metres for both sides. Finally, in November, we did a 2-week work parties to complete the concrete block laying. Thank you for watching our latest update and join us at the next one.